encountered a WD2 file from an old DeLorme GPS or mapping setup. This is a legacy map data file from a once popular navigation platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and work with these Street Atlas USA map data files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated WD2 file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. WD2 Files are map data files used by DeLorme Street Atlas USA, a desktop mapping and navigation application. They contain road network data points of interest, address databases, and topographic information organized as map tiles for rendering detailed street-level and topographic maps within the Street Atlas software interface. DeLorme WD2 map files use a proprietary tiled binary format, storing vector road geometry, address range, data, POI locations, topographic elevation data, and map feature symbology. Files are organized as a tile set covering geographic regions and are indexed for efficient spatial query and rendering performance. The most common market-leading program for WD2 is DeLorme Street Atlas USA from Garmin Limited. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows cannot interpret this type of data, so specialized GIS programs are essential. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your WD2 file, then click Open With. Test DeLorme Street Atlas USA if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If you still can't open the WD2 file, it's okay. Because the WD2 format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklists. First, opening in Street Atlas USA. Launch DeLorme. Street Atlas USA and the software automatically loads WD2 map files from its data directory. Navigate the map using pan and zoom controls. If map tiles appear missing, verify that all WD2 files from the original installation are present in the Street Atlas data folder. Next, migrating to modern software. DeLorme was acquired by Garmin and Street Atlas. USA has been discontinued. Transfer waypoints, routes, and GPS tracks from Street Atlas to Garmin BaseCamp by exporting data to GPX format from Street Atlas before decommissioning the software. BaseCamp provides current Garmin map data and GPS management capabilities. Finally, extracting GPS data. If you need to recover waypoints or route data associated with WD2 map files, export them from Street Atlas USA to GPX or CSV format before migrating. GPX files can be imported into Google Earth, Garmin BaseCamp, or any modern GIS application for continued use of your saved location and route data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagic is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagic. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.